Surf City Dano, locally world famous. I'm approaching the shoreline at sunset, and wow, the tide is coming up high. The waves are huge. I haven't seen a tide up this high in a long time. As you see, we're on the backside of the NSSA West Coast buildings here, and you can see in the distance that sky is awesome. As you see, a lot of rain clouds to the east. And check this out. Look at that sky down there south. Those lifeguard towers, they're brand new for 3 and 4. So we're here behind the scenes. Dano live for Reporting Live. We got photons out hitting the sunset. I don't know if the competition today got called off or canceled, or they ran through the rain. Looks like it's been abandoned. Beautiful skies. Check out those waves. We got some good sets. They're frequent, they're high. You see the water line up here in the sand has come up quite high. We got some high tides. That might not be good for Sunset Beach, but for HB, we'll take it. We're reporting live. I'm Dano, Surf City Dano that is, and we are out.